What is going on, guys? It is Common Forex, your favorite marksman here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm still in Cape Town. Like I said, it's going to be an extended holiday this time around. So basically still here, doing the Lord's work, trading, relaxing, withdrawing my profits, taking time to just wind up from the stress that comes with trading, which is what I always preach as traders. You don't always sit by the charts 24/7 trading all the time. You also need to also take some time and then relax. And the amazing thing about trading Forex is actually being able to also work and then make money on the side whilst relaxing. So, it's been a while since I actually dropped a video on YouTube. It's actually been almost over a week since I dropped my last video on YouTube. I've still been trading actively, actually. The whole of last week, we had amazing trades from Tuesday all the way to Friday. This morning as well, we also have an amazing trading position running on gold. And all we used to catch this trade and milk this position is a simple pullback strategy. One of my favorite pullback strategy, actually. Just sit back, relax, drop your notepads and your pens, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you're already subscribed, also make sure you like this video. Leave a comment on whatever you learned from this video. If there's any other content you want me to shoot for you, feel free to just type it in the comment section. Also share this video with as many struggling traders as you know as possible. And also make sure you smash that notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video on YouTube. So one of the things I've actually preached all this while, using the simplest and basic concepts as possible to milk as much as you can from each and every single trading position that you take. So that being said, we're actually running in over 100 pips alone from a simple trading position we took this morning, which is currently running in over 100%. Trust me, the move hasn't even started yet. We're actually inching very close to another all-time high. So all I basically want from you is to just stay glued to this channel and learn as much as you can from here. So basically, right on your charts, what you see is gold currently on the 50 minutes time frame. And basically, this is where I actually took my entry. My initial entry was here. Then my second entry was actually on this level you have here right at the closure of this particular candle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down why and how I took this particular trade. So right off the jump, you clearly see a triangle on here. This triangle represents a chart pattern I like to use, which I like to call the bullish pendant. What do I mean when I talk of a bullish pendant? A bullish pendant always happens anytime the market gives you a strong bullish run, pullback, rise, pullback, rise, pullback, rise. So giving you some sort of shrinking triangular pattern, then it breaks off and goes to the upside. So basically, this is what a bullish pendant actually what represents. So if you look right on your chart, you see something similar happening on here. Basically looking at, you can actually have a resistance trend line and then a support trend line, both happening at the same time. Basically, anybody can tell where the market will go. Anybody can say that the market is going to go up. Anybody can say that the market is actually going to come down. But when exactly that particular move is going to happen is what makes you a skilled trader. We now want our entry. So what I want us to do is to just basically cycle back to when I came onto the charts and then how I took this trade. Fibonacci is a tool I actually used to catch the depth of a pullback or a retracement of any move. Let's say we have a bullish move this way and then we have a bearish move this way. If we talk of a pullback, it basically means any reversal that doesn't get back to where the move started from. So let's say this is where it started from 1 and it ended at 2. Any reversal that doesn't get all the way back down to where the move started from is what we call a pullback or a retracement. So how far will it go before it eventually returns and goes back on the initial move? Same for the bearish move as well. How far will the pullback be before it actually continues the prior move? So right on my chart, you can clearly see I have my favorite retracement tool. And on it, there are some ratios which also are represented by percentages that you normally expect the market to end up on when it is in a pullback. It basically means that this is where you expect the pullback to end up before the prior move happens. So clearly now I wanted to have the same levels as mine. So I'm going to just hit a pause and go to the coordinates so you can actually take a quick snapshot and have the same thing on your screen. So let's just take a minute, have the same thing. Make sure you have the same levels. Make sure you're going to learn how I was able to make 100 pips so easily this morning with just Fibonacci. And guys, before we continue, I just want to remind you that coming up later this week, I think on Wednesday or so, we have CPI coming up. And mostly when there are fundamentals coming up, you want a platform where you can easily get your news updates in real time, which is why I want to talk to you about Fastball, a platform you can easily use for your fundamental analysis. So basically use the link I'm going to leave in the pinned comments or in the description of this particular video. It brings you straight to this particular platform. When you come to Fastball, you realize that there are so many products, so many stuff on here you can easily use. There's actually a chat room, a way or a place you can actually create groups on here. Easily come here, create new groups, add your contacts, have your own, mini trading community, a group of like-minded traders you can actually use on here. Then now let's focus on the products they have. You have charts, you have so many economic calendars. So let's focus on the economic calendar if we want to actually take advantage of the fundamentals we normally get in real time. So what happens is now they've actually added other stuff like earnings, dividends, stock splits, IPOs. You know, it's looking to invest in stocks, or you also trade stock options. You can also get information on them over here as well. So let's focus on the economic calendar with regards to forex trading. So here, if you wish to make any changes and make your news platform as simplified and as straightforward as possible for you to trade, all you need to do is just come to screen here. Once you come to screen, you just enter or select whatever details you wish to choose, events, whatever news you want to focus on. You can choose to remove all of these if you don't use them. Focus on what you actually need and what you actually use. Take advantage of them, trade, make your profits, and make your trading as smooth, as straightforward as possible. Just use the link I'm going to leave in the pinned comments. And you can also easily use Fastbull on your phones by simply using the link I'm going to leave in the pinned comments to just download it onto your phones, or simply just stick to the desktop version as I normally do. And like I said, it also has its own technical analysis platform where you have access to so many tools to enable you to do effective technical analysis of your trades. So like I said, all you need to do is simply, and you get access to all of these for free. Basically, all you need to do is simply use a link I'm going to leave in the pinned comments to download Fastbull, or also create your account, access Fastbull, use it, and make your trading as smooth as possible. Let's get back to the video. My main rule is to always make sure I bring in this Fibonacci once I see a quarter of a retracement or a 25% retracement. It basically means that once I have a move this way, if the pullback is at least a quarter of the whole move, so you realize that half of the move is here. So at the very least, a quarter of this move, I now bring in my Fibonacci and wait to catch the market reverse on any of the key levels I have over there. So now all that happens is I actually came on the charts this morning. So my move is from here to up here, and it was actually pulled back to this level now. So we wait to this morning. So you realize that this was exactly around 2 a.m. My move started from here. So I just click on where my move starts from. Then I left it all the way up to where it actually ended up. So once it gets here, now what do I expect? I expect to see a reaction on here. So you can clearly see that this was around 2 a.m. this morning. Now waiting for a reaction. So you can clearly see that the market now, we have the 50%, we have the 61.8, and then we have the 78.6. You have 0 where the move ends up, 100 where the move actually starts from, or the starting or initial point of that particular move. So basically means that we wait for a confirmation. The confirmation happens exactly at the closure of this particular candle. So my initial entry was around 3 a.m. this morning here. I'm going to show you exactly when I sent out the signal. So my initial entry was actually around this particular price. So what does it basically mean? I bring in my risk to reward. If you want to be on the safer side, you can choose to place it on 100%, but I just place it always at the bottom of the consolidation. Then I'm targeting the market to at least get to my 100% for me. If I wish for it to extend, it means I simply just extend it to my negative 27%, and I keep extending as it keeps going. So first candle came in. Right after here, we went straight into profits. I wait for another pullback and see if it's going to respect another Fibonacci again. So this is the first initial move. We are going now. Then I start getting another what we call pullback. So once I start getting this particular pullback, I now bring in my Fibonacci again. This time it is from here where this move started from, all the way to here, where it ended before it started pulling back down. So you can clearly see that it pulled back and came to hit my 50%, then it stretched and went all the way up. So right when I saw the strong bullish engulfing on my 50% is where I brought in my Fibonacci. So entry right here, clearly you can see in the VIP, my entry price was 2434.50. So 2434.50 was my entry price. So right here was the entry price, around here was right around that price. Then my stop loss was also just on the 50%. So right stop loss on the 50%. Then now we have another psychological level here, which is my 24.50. So that is actually my second take profit for the day. But my first initial take profit was around 24.40. So basically, bringing your first take profit, second take profit. Now, basically, all we do next is just wait for the market to just run and move in our favor. And this is exactly what happened today. Beautiful move, already running currently in over 100 pips. We are still running, expecting it to push further once we enter the New York session. The beautiful thing about this tool is that it actually works on every single time frame. This one is on the 15 minutes time frame. If you're looking for short-term day trades to make you as much money as you can from every single one of your trading positions as possible, all you need to do is to simply apply this Fibonacci tool. So basically, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope it was as helpful as I said it was going to be in the beginning. I hope you are now able to find easy trades like this with a simple strategy like what I just used. So if you like this video, you want me to shoot more content like this, make sure you like this video. Also leave a comment. If there's anything you actually want me to throw more light on, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll actually be very, very consistent this week as I have so many videos packed which I want to drop for you guys. So in my next video, I'll be sure to address every single comment, every single question you had in your previous videos. And before I leave, one more announcement. My August Advanced Mentorship session is coming up on the 24th, 25th, 30th, as well as the 31st of August. Make sure you join. It's actually going to be on Zoom. So regardless of where you live, you can actually be a part of this class. And it's actually going to be on the weekend. So 4 p.m. GMT, anyone can join regardless of where you live. All the cost is just $120 to learn every single strategy, every single tool I use, my exit strategy, my entry strategy. You also get to be a part of my lifetime mentorship group. You don't want to miss this one, as we're going to transform how you watch and then approach the market. So change how you trade and get rich now. So if you like this video, you want me to shoot more content like this, make sure you like this video, share it with as many striking traders as you know as possible. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so get this anytime I go live anytime I drop a new video on YouTube. As always, I'm Common Forex and I hope I left you better than I found you. See y'all in the next one. I'm out.